Have you ever seen something that you just had to have, and that no matter what it took, you were going to get it? Well, that's where I'm at right now. You see, I went on the interwebs and bought myself a 1956 Ford sedan. It's actually a coupe. It's a club sedan is the model, but it's a two-door GASSER. The problem is that it's about 1,000 miles away from me in Massachusetts. So there's a bunch of different ways to go about getting this car. I've thought about flying up there and driving it home. I've considered taking my dolly up there and getting it. I have considered shipping it, and I've considered maybe doing some trading and getting a rollback for it. Here it is. The new find. It's 5 a.m. We're about an hour outside of Buffalo. This ain't good for a southern boy. We got strong, sustained winds, snow blowing in. Gas is 380. The pump goes slow. And my little thing that holds the lever up is broken. Look how slow that is. Look at all that snow. There's a big ass lake over there, and it's angry. So we're about 2 hours out from Pittsfield, Massachusetts, where the car's at. We're still in New York, and man, it is cold. I'm glad the weather's cleared up, and we've got good dry roads, but they really like their salt up here. So check it out. I mean, she's like a pretzel, or them late night McDonald's French fries. Somewhere upstate. Check out this river. That's the Mohawk River. You can see ice flows and stuff. We don't really get that shit down south. Pretty cool, huh? Lots of old industry, cast iron bridges. Pretty neat. Very different from what we got down south. So we're gonna go check on Brian. He's blazing a trail for us, dropping the load off. Let's go make sure he's still alive.
Drums, man. You got drums in the front. You got drums where it matters, you know?
Oh, yeah.
That's a torque. Felt torquey.
Whoa, they're more of a suggestion.
way it takes throttle sounds. I mean, you know what I'm saying. I'm kind of.
No, I know exactly what you're saying.
Intuition, Dino says. That dude just, do you see his face? That's hilarious. You just made that guy's day.
Oh yeah, it's pig rich.
Oh, I can smell the richness.
Pig rich.
Unhealthy. It feels poorly fed. Yeah. That
I agree.
I was a little worried the first time he stepped in. I was like, it's torquey, but it didn't seem like it came smooth in. And I can tell it actually probably would feel pretty good if it was smoothed out right. Oh yeah. You gotta admit, it's got some stopping power to the drums.
What it is, it just darts.
Yeah.
It's like they're not even.
I would imagine they're not even. I bet you there's no auto adjustment on those.
She probably blowing the skaters out behind us, huh?
Well, do you like your starting point?
I think so.
Cool. That's really all that matters. You got your starting point, you got it home, and it's what you wanted. So.
It didn't work. I didn't even look.
I didn't think to even look at it either.
I bet the clock doesn't work. Come on, batteries work? And this must have been the choke.
Yeah, that would have been.
Timing, probably too.
Could be. This might be one of those check the work of the previous guy. Especially if he's got other projects and he's getting rid of this one. I mean, you know that carb's pretty damn new to the car, so.
Yeah.
I think a carb adjustment's a lot of it.
Yeah, I'd say so.
The black clouds it blows when you fire it up give me a slight indication that it might need a carburetor tune. The really, really rich smell tells me it's really, really rich.
Yeah.